Sports. This is Mohor Chaudhary, and today we are here at the Urbana Complex here in Kolkata. While the men's team defeated Australia today and leveled the series 1-1, and while the women's team are fighting it out with South Africa right now at the Navi Mumbai Stadium, we are here in Urbana, Kolkata at the grand auction of the Urbana Premier League. Ref Sports is a part of this wonderful event. We are the media partner and the Wall of Fame partner. And the auction is taking place in a fantastic way. It's literally being done in a very, very professional manner. I mean, I had seen an auction like this last time when I was watching the IPL auction, and this is being done along very similar lines. And yes, there's people from all walks of life enjoying here, having food, roaming around. You can go inside the auction room and witness the amazing arrangement that is being done inside. So yes, it's a very different opportunity. It's a very different kind of an event that we are seeing today, especially arranging a cricket tournament like this for a community Premier League. It's something new, and yes, we're all we're all enjoying it a lot.
What was yours? 51? 51. Then you got to go with 52. 60. You put up 60. Okay, then raise the bid to 60. 60 from Rudra Stars. That's what I got on the table at the moment. 61, sir. 61 I got from the judgment. 62. That's what I'm looking for. Do I have 62 in the house? Do I have 62? No. You got it at 61. Hold on. 62 in the house. Do I have 62 in the house? 62. 62 from ASGS Things. Looking for 63, please. 63, please. That's what I'm looking for. So KSGS.
Hello, sir. So this is a wonderful initiative, as we have seen. So just tell me about the audience and everyone, the residents. How long do they wait for this? What is the
So it's been a calendar event now for 7 years, as you can see, and we've been involved from day one. It's a community event, and like Boriada said, in a community event, to see this kind of craziness was a surprise for him. But this is it, this is what sports does. It doesn't matter if you're playing a UPL or you're playing an IPL or an ISL. It's the level and the people who you play with. Sports brings in camaraderie. You can see the atmosphere, the youngsters, the juniors, the women, the legends, all will be playing together for 7-day carnival in Urbana. A lot of fun, lot of cricket, lot of camaraderie, and this is where I learned all the sports from. Today, whatever Shachi Sports is doing, a lot has to do with this, because I became a part of this 6 years ago. This is the 7th year, and great to have Red Sports part of this UPL this year, to have Boriada in the auction and all of you come here. It was great. So thank you, Red Sports, again for being part of Shachi's journey. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, sir. So this is a wonderful initiative, I would say, like the people coming out from the hustle and bustle of their daily life and engaging in sports. What is the response like from the participants and the residents?
The response has been wow, this is an event in Urbana. Urbana is where my home is, and your heart is where your home is, right? So I think it's been a great event. It's been a great show. For the first time, we've done the auctions here within the building, because it used to always happen in a 5-star hotel, but a community event should be in the community, right? So we've got an auction carnival. We don't call it an auction, we got an auction carnival. So like you can see, there's the memorabilia, there are board games, there is food stall, there's live screening, there's a DJ. So a lot of fun and showcasing of the jerseys, right? So we made it like a full carnival feel where the family, see, when Urbana happens, there are 400 players playing, but there are 1,100 families participating, right? So you want all of them to come and be a part of this. So it's been a great show.
So what is the format like, if you would like to tell me? Like how...
So we are a very inclusive tournament. So we have 4 categories. One of them is for kids. Then you have the men's, you have the women's, and then you have legends.
Okay.
And this year we also have senior citizens, right? Above 75 years old also playing, right? So I think there are 16 teams in the men's. There are 6 teams in the juniors. There are 4 teams in the legends, and then you have 2 teams for women. So right, there's a game for everyone. And this year we also have 2 teams which will be playing in the senior citizen league. So my dad, who's 75-year-old, will also be playing. And we have this auction, and this year having Boriada in the auction was an icing on the cake, right? I mean, Boriada being a good friend, I'm so happy that he came. But like you can see, the vibe, the energy, we've made it. We want people to come and participate, and the event is on the 15th of December to 21st. It will be again a cricket meet carnival kind of a format. We're going to have game stalls. We're going to have a lifestyle zone. We're going to have food. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Lovely. Thank you, sir. Thank you.